Today we'll talk about how can you disable splits on your Webull app. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on money down here, just click on it. So when you click here on money, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this, and all you have to do now, just click here on settings here. So then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on chart settings, just click on it. So then you come to next step here. Then all you have to do now, you just go down here, you keep going down, you come here to corporate here actions display, you come here to splits here, just clicking this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That means splits disable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.